Good afternoon, everyone. So this is my second exercises. My topic is all about in section 6.7 physical applications number 33. So here is the given. Filling a spherical tank, a spherical water tank with an inner radius of 8 meters has its lowest point 2 meters above the ground. It is filled by a pipe that feeds the tank at its lowest point. So see the figure below. So in letter A, neglecting the volume of the inflow pipe, how much work is required to fill the tank if it is initially empty? And letter B, now assume that the inflow pipe feeds the tank at the top of the tank, neglecting the volume of the inflow pipe. How much work is required to fill the tank if it is initially empty? So we have here first determine the radius r. We have the 8 meters. Then lowest point is 2 meters above ground. Center is at height 2 plus 8 is equals to 10 meters. Then top of tank is at height 10 plus 8 is equals to 18 meters. So let y is equals to height above ground. At height y, the radius of the cross section is r times the quantity of y squared is equals to, i-substitute na nato ang value. We have here 8 squared minus the quantity of y minus 10 squared is equals to 64 minus the quantity of y minus 10 squared. Area of a slice, we have here a times y is equals to pi bracket 64 minus the quantity of y minus 10 squared. So the weight density of the water, we have here P is equals to 9,800 N over M cubed. So in letter A, filling from the bottom inflow at lowest point, water enters at height y is equals to 2. So each slice is lifted from 2 to y. So distance lifted, we have here d is equals to y minus 2. Work, so w is equals to the integral to 2 from 2 to 18, 9,800 times the pi bracket 64 minus the quantity y minus 10 squared times y minus 2 dy. So let u is equals to y minus 10. So y is equals to u plus 10. Then we have the limits y is equals to 2 to u is equals to negative 8, y is equals to 18 to u is equals to 8. So then we have y minus 2 is equals to u plus 8. So therefore the works is equals to 9,800 pi from the integral of negative 8 to 8 to positive 8 times the quantity 64 minus u squared times the quantity u plus 8 du. So to expand this solution, we have the quantity 64 minus u squared times u plus 8 is equals to 64u plus 512 minus u cubed minus 8u squared. So add terms, integrate to 0. We have the integral of negative 8 to positive 8, 64 u du is equals to 0. The integral of negative 8 to 8 minus u cubed du is equals to 0. So w is equals to 9,800 pi the integral of negative 8 to positive 8 times the quantity of 512 minus 8u squared du is equals to 9,800 pi times the bracket of 512 times 16 minus 8 times 2 the quantity of 8 cubed divided by 3 is equals to 9,800 pi times the bracket of 8 8,192 minus 8,192 divided by 3 is equals to 908,000. I mean 9,800 pi times 16,384 divided by 3. So the final answer in A, we have here works is equals to 9,800 times 16,384 divided by 3 pi or pi or joules is equals to 1.68 times 10 raised to the power of approximately 1.68 times 10 raised to the power of 8 joules. Then in letter B, filling from the top, now water must be lifted from the ground level to the top of tank 18 meters, then falls into place. Each slice is lifted to height 18. So from the distance, we have D is equals to 18 minus Y. So work is equals to the integral from 2 to 18, 9,800 times the pi times the bracket of 64 minus the quantity y minus 10 squared times 18 minus y dy. So substitute the u is equals to y minus 10. 18 minus y is equals to 8 minus u. So w is equals to 9,800 pi from the integral of negative 8 to 8 times the quantity 64 minus u squared times the quantity 8 minus u du. So to expand the solution, we get the quantity 64 minus u squared 8 times the quantity 8 minus u is equals to 512 minus 64u minus 8u squared plus u cubed. Add terms vanish again. We have the integral negative 8 to positive 8 minus 64u du is equals to 0. And the integral u raised to the power of 3 du is equals to 0. So works is equals to 9,800 pi from the integral negative 8 to positive 8 times the quantity 512 minus 8u squared du. So the final answer of B, we have 1.68 times 10 raised to the power of 8 joules, same as in letter A. That's all po.